053, Vincent W. Aldridge. That's Ms. DeBerry.
Please, the board. This is a compulsory discipline case brought pursuant to Part 8 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure, and it's based on the respondent's conviction of multiple crimes in the United States District Court for the Southern District of Texas, Houston Division. On March 25, 2010, the respondent was charged by indictment with Count 1, conspiracy to commit mail and wire fraud, Counts 2 through 12, aiding and abetting wire fraud, Count 13, conspiracy to engage in monetary transactions in criminally derived property. Counts 14 to 19, aiding and abetting engaging in monetary transaction in criminally derived property. On July the 26th, 2011, a judgment in a criminal case was entered in cause number 410 CR 00185-001, styled the United States of America versus Vincent Wallace Aldridge in the United States District Court for the Southern District of Texas, Houston Division, wherein respondent was found guilty of counts 1 through 19 as alleged in the indictment. Respondent was committed to the custody of the United States Bureau of Prisons to be imprisoned for 63 months, and upon release to be on supervised release for 3 years. He was ordered to pay an assessment of $1,900 and a fine of $891,000. Respondent appealed his conviction under cause number 11-20516 in the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit. The petition for compulsory discipline was filed on August the 9th, 2011. The respondent was personally served on August the 11th, 2011 with the petition for compulsory discipline and notice of hearing by Mark Whitmore, a private process server. Proof of service was filed on September the 1st, 2011, and an interlocutory order of suspension was signed by this board on September the 29th, 2011. Mandate issued by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit on February 12, 2014. The motion for entry of judgment and entry of judgment of disbarment was filed with the board on June the 5th, 2014. Respondent was personally served with the motion and notice of hearing on June the 19th, 2014 by Officer Orozco, a Dallas County Deputy Sheriff, and proof of service of the motion for entry of judgment was filed with BODA on July 14th, 2014. May I approach?
You may.
This time the Commission would offer Petitioner's Exhibit A, which is a certified copy of the opinion issued by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit on January the 13th, 2014 in cause number 11-20516, United States of America versus Gilbert Berry Isgar, Vincent Walker Aldridge, Tori Elise Aldridge, appellants. Exhibit B is a certified copy of the judgment issued as mandate by the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit. And Exhibit C is the original certificate from Blake A. Hawthorne, Clerk of the Supreme Court, dated July the 8th, 2014, indicating that Mr. Aldridge is a licensed Texas attorney but not currently authorized to practice law.
Exhibits A, B, and C are admitted.
Respondent is currently in custody in Seagoville, Texas, and the Commission asked BODA to enter a judgment disbarment.
Are there any questions of Ms. DeBerry? I did have one question. Is there a copy of, did he not file an appeal, or is there anything as far as of his criminal conviction? Because I didn't hear of the mandate or anything being final, so I'm just checking.
Mandate was issued by the Court of Appeals on February 12th, 2014.
Right, was that one
And
of
the-
your, I didn't hear that as one of the exhibits, though.
The Exhibit B is a certified copy of the judgment issued as mandate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I didn't hear mandate, I just heard judgment. Thank you.
Okay, yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
All right. Now I'll call